Well, guys, back here on American Farming with a new series. It's a dairy farm series. So, I just came out here in Wisconsin, and I'm looking at the 785 Case Steiger quad track. This thing's beautiful with a big Blazer grain cart. It's just sitting up here on this hill getting displayed, but this thing is insane. Maybe we could run it this year for a harvest. But enough of that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. We'll be heading to the dairy farm. My truck is this 3500 dually. And on the trailer, we got a gooseneck trailer. It's a 75A front loader and a bucket. And yeah, it's pretty nice cabbed in, nice tractor. But I'm gonna get heading over to the dairy farm. And if you guys can see that over there, that's the dealership semi. It's pretty nice. We could probably get some equipment if we need it all over. Looks like they're working on a tractor too up there. Oh, don't tell them I drive in the grass. Okay, well, we're gonna get heading out here. You can see it in the distance. But this should be one of the funnest series ever that I have. I really think I'm gonna like this one, and I think you guys will too. Whoa, slow down. Yes, don't hit that side. Stop. Okay, well, I think we're running about 30 head of cattle up here. Got quite a bit of it. But this place, nice. I'm gonna put some diesel in the truck though. Running a little bit low. Pull off over to the side. I'll give you guys a tour. Well, looks like over here we got some toys. Looks like we got a dirt bike and an old quad. I'm gonna have to put them inside. I don't know why they're sitting outside. But we also got this F350. Whoa, that's a nice truck. But I'm gonna hop on the quad. Oh, you know, I'm gonna give you guys this tour of this shed. Got old corn crib over there, a bean header, trailer, and a big setup, silo and stuff. Well, it's not that big, but pretty big. Let's head over here. I think we got a 340 Case IH Magnum. That's a nice tractor. And then a 285 MX Case IH. Another great tractor. Brent 1100. That should be nice in harvest. Also got a Case IH AxiFlow 8240 with a 12-row corn head. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's 12-row. Yeah. A 36-row, I think. Planter. Oh, whoa, that's like the biggest planter I've ever seen. Jeez. 9380 quad track. Maybe we could upgrade it to the 785 sometime soon. Ha, probably never actually. Then a FR920 New Holland chopper. Oh, that's nice. But I think we got some more equipment around here. I'm gonna hop on the quad and drive around here. Looks like over here, some equipment. Looks like a 1206. Yep. Farmo Turbo 1206 diesel. for the Meyer Forge wagon. Not, it's like, yeah, I think a Forge wagon. Is that what you call it? Feeder wagon or whatever? I don't know. Hopper bottom trailer. It's nice. Then we also got with a cattle trailer and a milk trailer. Oh. But we also did get the co-op out here. Yeah, that's speed out for the cows. We're not all the way out, got a couple of loads out here, so. And what is that? Randall, vertical till, 2 Meyer, 4 wagon. And over here it's like cows and stuff. Then I believe this is our last shed. Cannot drive. Sorry about that. Then in here, Versatile 305. Got all of the duals on it. It's a nice looking tractor. And Meyer SXI 720 with newer spreader. A newer Landau drill. Ooh, that looks nice. Haven't ever run one of these. That'll be fun. Looks like we got a big ripper though. And then lastly we got our sprayer. What is this? A TA 1600, yeah. But we're gonna get over here, and I think I'm gonna head down to the co-op because they did calm me down. I do have a buddy here, and they did just get something new, and he wants to show it to me. So, don't. I did not crash into those tires, but he said some big equipment down there. But we also do have all of our fields fertilized and stuff, so he did say that when we got home. But yeah, this is just a beautiful farm already. Driving is terrible. Not very good. Need to drive on the right side of the road too. Also guys, are you excited for American Farming 2 coming out if you did hear that? Because I'm super excited. And I might even do with it of you guys playing. So if you guys would like to see that, hit the like button and maybe subscribe. I do not care. I'm just here to make some fun videos for you guys. I'm gonna take a right turn here. That is gonna be our car that we are gonna be using. The EO mill. It's an older one. Definitely still got some life in it. I'm gonna head over to this side. This is the feed truck that's been getting all the feed for us. Nice setup. Maybe parked out a little bit far. Who cares? But look at this. Versatile 620 quad track. Oh yeah. Look at this. And a giant anhydrous like at every bar. Oh, this is a sweet setup. We gotta use this harvest. Well, after harvest, we gotta use this. But it looks like got our 2 co-op trucks. In here, 454, 4540 Case IH Titan. Pretty nice. gonna have to use this too. And it looks like a 380, I think. Yeah, 380 Magnum. Oh, that's a beast of a tractor right there. And a side dresser. Ooh, might use that. Well, hopefully I can. Might not have the money for it, but I still definitely use it. Looks like we got another anhydrous bar and a nurse trailer. That I have to bring that out. Let's eat this. But oh yeah, but we do got that sprayer, so we could probably use this. They got a big old nurse trailer with a semi. I like that cab over. I have to get a cab over for our farm. You do only have one semi. Maybe. You got quite a bit of money. Oh, this guy, look at the trailer. Is there only like 4 wheels on the ground for the trailer? Look at it. It's like hanging. Oh, these guys. But it looks like we got a 440 Patriot sprayer. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful back there. But over here we got our two tanks. Double tanks, so that would be nice. And a seed tender. A 1066 Turbo International. And a cart, like a spreader cart. But that is it for the co-op, but this setup still gets me. That is insane. These two trucks are pretty nice. But I think I'm just gonna head back home. So I think this one's gonna be a short video. Just like a farm tour video. So I think we're gonna be cutting it off here, and I will see you guys later.